well, he went away for a while, but he's back. So we'll still claim him. Steve Spires joining us in studio right now. Steve, how are you doing today?
Okay, pretty good.
Good. Thanks for joining us right here on the radio. Certainly do appreciate you taking a few minutes to join us here in the studio. And you brought your guitar. Everybody out front was hearing you tune it up, getting it ready, and getting things ready to go. And I asked you a few days ago, hey, you want to come play some Christmas music for us? And it's not in your typical repertoire that you have, but of course, you being the musician that you are, you said, sure, why not? All right.
And then I proceeded to practice.
And then you proceeded to practice. All right, so we'll get to a couple of songs here in a moment. Anything that you have coming up performance-wise, anything in the near future for you, any projects that you're working on right now?
Yep. Right now I'm trying to kind of like think about where to book and different things like that. Like I know that there's like a Legion gig this January 7th, you know, with the band and everything. We just kind of go under my name. And I kind of been lucky enough here lately to the Dusty Guitar Promotions asked me to play in the basement at Seacrest for the Bret Michaels concert and Sarah Evans concert, and so that was really fun. And so hopefully some
totally different styles of music, and interesting to be able to see the crowds that came through, I'm sure.
Right. Yeah, it was a little different, both of them. But and I was surprised when Sarah Evans ended the show with "Shut Up and Dance," and I was like, "Wait a minute!
That's a Cincinnati band that performs that way." Yeah. You just never know.
Right.
Interestingly, and you've seen this happen, there's been a lot of crossover across the board. Whatever style of music it is, you have different artists that are selecting different formats and genres. Obviously, Sarah Evans, very classic country. Choosing a song that is kind of a pop format. So it's interesting to see that happen. Any particular projects that we can anticipate from you? Any CDs in the works right now?
Yep. I need to try to finish just a few more songs, and then kind of figure out what direction to go with recording them and all that. So hopefully something in the near future and get something out that way. It's like I already have like a couple CDs that you can get off of stevespires.com, which is my website.
All right. So Christmas songs. Let's go ahead and play a Christmas song now, because our 15 minutes will be up before we know it.
Okay.
What are you going to play for us first?
The Mariah Carey song, "All I Want for Christmas."
All right.
I learned it last year for a show in McConnellsville at the office.
All right. So here we have it. Steve Spires, take it away.
Thanks. Here upon the fireplace, Santa Claus will make me happy with a toy on Christmas Day. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. So brightly everywhere, and the sound of children's laughter fills the air, and everyone is singing. I hear the sleigh bells ringing. Santa, won't you bring me the one I really need? Won't you please bring my baby to me? I don't want a lot for Christmas. This is all I'm asking for. I just want to see my baby standing right outside my door. I just want her for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true, baby. All I want for Christmas is you.
studio audience goes wild.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was singing that to you. No,
Okay. Well, if you were singing all I want for Christmas is to be on the radio, well, you got that one.
Yeah.
All right. One of those opportunities to be able to showcase and highlight, and that's, one of the great things about WHIZ, having a local radio station, to be able to do this. And it is a lot of fun. And that opportunity to be able to highlight local talent. You also teach music.
Yep.
Which should come as no surprise to anyone that knows anything about your family.
Right.
And I just have to say, your dad was a great guy.
Oh, thanks. Thank
tremendous person.
Yep. Thank you very
not
much.
just a very talented musician, which he has obviously genetically passed that down
Right.
to your family, but also just a genuine person.
Yeah.
So
Thank you.
he is greatly missed.
Yeah.
And the ability to be able to carry on music obviously was something that, well, you kind of couldn't escape. I mean, really.
Yeah.
For you
Yeah.
and everybody in your family.
Right. It's great kind of being able to pick up some of the things and like use some of the songs and the writing and all that, in my own teaching and stuff. And I was just actually trying to go back through and organize everything. And so I always joke with people and say that I'm going to be so organized I'm not going to be able to find a thing.
There you have it. Chaotic organization.
Before too.
Organized chaos is what I refer to it as.
Right.
All right, now, so to be able to have the opportunity, we've talked about a couple of different things, CD project that's in the works.
Yep.
You're available if anybody would like to hire you in the band.
Sure.
And the ability to be able to do that. Maybe somebody has a party coming up and they were looking for music and they want a live band.
Yep.
Also, lessons. How do people get in contact with you?
Really, the best way is stevespires.com. There's my cell phone number and all that information is on there. And you can email me and contact me through the contact form on the website. And, of course, have Facebook page and all those things. Actually, one for the band stuff and then one for lessons and all that. So it's kind of easy to get in touch that way as long as you remember my name.
Steve Spires.
Yeah.
So what was Christmas like in the Spires household? I mean, did everybody just grab a guitar and sing and play? I mean, was that, because that's what I have in my mind.
A little
Did that
bit.
actually happen?
I was probably young enough too that there were sometimes that jam sessions would go on for 4 and 5 hours.
And it was
as a
past
kid,
your bedtime.
I was like, not always the most joyful about that, but
That's all right. All right. So you have another song for us?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
What do you have this time?
I think like White Christmas, and just kind of I figured it's kind of funny with the Mariah Carey song because that's really one of the few that it's still an older song, but it's still pretty new as far as Christmas songs go that's stuck. And so I'm gonna do White Christmas.
All right, Steve Spires.
Just like the ones I used to know, where the tree tops listen and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. Yeah, I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. With every Christmas card I write, may your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. merry and bright, and may all your Christmas light, and may all your Christmases be white.
Studio applause, studio applause, studio applause. I forgot to cue that one up.
Yeah.
All right. All right. Well, thanks so much, Steve.
Yeah,
It
no
really
problem.
is
Thank you for
it is a fun time of year. It is a joyous time of
Yeah,
year.
yeah.
And thanks for coming in today. Certainly the ability to be able to perform for the AM 1240 listening audience.
Yeah,
I
for
certainly
sure.
hope they enjoyed it as much as I
Yeah,
did.
for sure.
And great opportunities to be able to highlight and showcase. We do have a lot of talents right here in the
Yeah,
Zanesville community, as you've witnessed and you're part of. And certainly a really unique opportunity to be able to enjoy some of that right here on the radio.
Yeah.
So thank you for sharing your talents with us here on AM 1240. And certainly if anybody would like more information, more details, they can give you a call.
Yep.
They can check you out online. You're on Facebook. Steve Spires joining us here in the studio this morning on AM 1240. Steve, thanks so much, and
Yep, thank
Merry
you.
Christmas.
Thanks. Merry Christmas.
AM 1240 WHIZ, Zanesville.